Former President Donald Trump has asked the Supreme Court to put on hold the release of his tax returns by the Internal Revenue Service to a Democratic-led House committee. Trump filed the emergency request on Monday with the High Court after a federal appeals court cleared the way last week for the returns to be disclosed to the House Ways and Means Committee in the coming days. The case is the most direct way for the House to obtain Trump's federal tax returns after pursuing them in different avenues for years. The Trump team wants the Supreme Court to put the release of the tax returns on pause, while the justices consider whether to take up a case reviewing the lower court rulings okaying their disclosure. The U.S. Supreme Court is seen in Washington, D.C. on February 8, 2022. Supreme Court hears arguments on college affirmative action cases. The new filing asks the court to put an administrative hold on the release of the tax returns by Wednesday, as the U.S. D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals ruling allowing for their disclosure goes into effect on Thursday. No Congress has ever wielded its legislative powers to demand a president's tax returns, Trump argued to the Supreme Court, as he warned of the far-reaching implications of the D.C. Circuit's ruling. He wrote that the way lower courts approached the House request ran afoul of the Supreme Court's ruling in the Mazars case, concerning a subpoena that the House issued Trump's accounting firm for his tax information.